Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science with Partha. In today's video, we will discuss the describe and the def methods of the series object. The describe method is short for descriptive statistics. So it is used to calculate the statistical information about a given series, and we generally get the data in a tabular form. Now we will continue using the IDIS data set for our examples. Now, I've gone ahead and I've already written out the code. In this code, what we have done is we have imported our libraries and imported the IDIS data frame. And I've created a variable called myPetalLength, which is a series object. Now, to apply the descriptive statistics on the myPetalLength, all we have to do is write dot describe myPetalLength dot. As we execute this, you can see that in the output we have this tabular format, which gives the count, the standard deviation, minimum, maximum. The values 25%, 50%, and 75% represent the percentiles. So the 25 percentile of this data is 1.6, whereas the 75 percentile of the data is 5.1. Now, because we have a numeric data, we have this kind of information given to us. But if instead of numerical data we had strings or datetime objects, then the describe method would have provided us a different table. It would have consisted of count, unique, top, and rec. So let's create an example for this and understand. So let's say I'm going to create another new series called as myseries. And inside this, I'm going to pass in a list of words. So let's say I'm just going to take cats and dogs. Now that the series is ready, let's apply the describe method. Say myseries. Once we run this, you can see that the output that Python gives is the count, unique, top, and rec. Now let's try to understand what each of these represent. The count represents the number of elements in the series. So in my series, we have 5 elements, 2 cats and 3 dogs. So the value has come out to be a count of 5. Similarly, unique represents the distinct values in a particular series. So we only have here 2 distinct values, cats and dogs. Hence, unique is giving us the value 2. The top represents the most common element, also known as the mode of the series. So here we can see that the term dogs has been repeated twice. Hence, top provides us that particular element. And frequency is nothing but the maximum frequency of the most common element. So here dog repeats 3 times, hence the frequency is. Now let's discuss about the diff method. So the diff method is short for difference. Now, when we apply the diff method, each element in the series is compared with the previous element and the difference is shown as the output. Now let us say we have this petal length object, right? So we have this series my petal length. If I run this, you can see we have these values. So if I just consider the first 5 numbers, we have 1.4, 1.4, 1. Now if I apply the diff method onto this particular, all we do is write dot. Once we run this, you can see now that we have gotten this kind of an output. And the first element we see that the value is. Now why would a Python say the first value is NaN? Because in our series the first element did not have any value before it to be compared to. So in our case 1.4 in the 0th row did not have any previous number to be compared to. Hence we have gotten the value of NaN in the. But as soon as we move to the next row, that is our index 1 position, we have a number at index 0 with which it can be compared. 1.4 minus 1.4, hence we get the value of. So this is what I have for you guys in this video. Let me know which method you found interesting in the comments. And if you found this video useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.